Hey guys, it's Jesse. Today I'm going to show you how to build this closet. It's a sliding door closet and I use these two mirror pieces for the sliding doors. And yes, these are official Lego pieces. So both doors do slide back and forth for access to both sides of the closet. And if you're wondering what pieces I'm using for this, as always, I include a parts list now at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So I thought it would be fun to include like a shoe laying down in the bottom of the closet. So I took this leg from the Jonathan minifigure from the Queer Eye set because it has a heel, so it's a little boot, and it just lays there at the bottom. Going back to those mirror pieces that I used for the doors, if you're wondering where those are from, they actually come from two different modular sets, one from Assembly Square and one from the detective's office. So you actually may have those on hand. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Brick Designed, and please consider subscribing if you don't already. So when inserting these door pieces, you just want to put one on the back half of the grill plate and then the second on the front half of the grill plate. So they're on two different tracks, so to speak. Can be a little difficult, so just kind of finesse it until you get them both in, and you can always lift the top to help you insert them.